Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I definitely still think this is a 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave Y. I think this is 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, and we're now making 3 waves up for a wave Y, which I think is most likely going to take out these highs, either go to the 100% Fibonacci extension or possibly the 78.6 Fibonacci extension to make an A, B, C of wave Y. So heading down to the weekly time frame, that makes this over here the end of a crescent, which is the end of a wave B, or most likely the end of a wave B. That also would make this right here a wave 1. That would make this a big ABC of 2, and I think this right here would be a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and I think we are very, very likely already in that wave 3 of wave 3, which is part of that wave Y pattern that I was explaining on the much higher time frame, on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, I think this right here is the top of a trend, which is a 1 of 3. I think this is a big ABC correction for a wave 2 of 3. I think we're already in that wave 3 of 3. I do believe at some point it is going to end a wave 1, which will most likely lead to a bigger correction for a wave 2 and then go up for a wave 3. But as of right now, I definitely still think we're in the first trend that starts right here. I think the 178.6 is likely area, maybe even a little bit higher for this to end a wave 1 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs. I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows. To me, it looks like it's already got an ABC correction. So if this does go up, if it does break structure at a Fibonacci level, then I would say that is very, very likely to be the end of a correction and probably the continuation of this bigger uptrend on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually already long on the Aussie dollar from this morning. I think there's a pretty good chance this move down is a wave A. I actually think this is very likely a big ABC of B. And to me, this looks like a downtrend. It even does have 5 waves for a wave C. The only thing we're really lacking is a break of structure. If it does break structure, then I would definitely say that's the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. Until it actually does break structure, we do have to be a little bit cautious. I mean, it could possibly turn down and make a bigger correction. But as of right now, it definitely looks like the end of a correction. And once we get that structure break, it should confirm. And that really would be a great opportunity to continue to look for longs, especially on even shorter time frames than this. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom. It also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.